We are still in the mysterious country of Tajikistan, but now we are entering the Soviet train that will take us up to the Kyrgyzstan border almost. No, this train will take you to the capital of Uzbekistan, and it take 18 hours, but everything starts in Dushanbe. And how did I buy the ticket? Yeah, I did go to the tickets office at the train station, and with help from Google Translate, I bought my ticket for $40. So there was no problem. They were very helpful. But I almost had the problem when I was doing the passport control at the station. I was almost scanned by the passport control lady. She wanted me to pay extra because she said that I've overstayed my stay in Tajikistan, but I did not overstay my stay. I was only here for 5 days, so she was trying to scam me, but she did not scam me. I was talking in English, and she was a little bit afraid of English, so everything was okay. I did not pay any extra. So, but I was a little bit disappointed. Otherwise, I had very good experience in Tajikistan. And later, the passport control for Uzbekistan will entering the train. But I did not film that actually, but they were checking my phone for some nasty photos and videos. But they did not find anything, so I was happy. So my phone was given back, but the the passport control they were sitting with my phone for an hour at the border of Uzbekistan. I was a little bit crazy, but now we are starting our journey up to Uzbekistan. Some hours later, we are still in Tajikistan and we are waiting to get into Uzbekistan. But I will go to bed because the border control is in the middle of the night. Yeah, always. So they were waking us up and did the passport control on the train. So they took all the passport and then after a while they gave us back. But we were on the border for 2 hours, I think. Yeah, it was a little bit tiring, but everything was okay. But now we are in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, and I had a good sleep on the train, maybe 5 hours or something. And I have some hours left on this train. Yeah, so what was yeah, it was okay. It was a good train. Not much going on. I had a good neighbor. She was showing me a picture of her vacation in Thailand and yeah, in Asia. So it was very good. She did not speak English, but we tried to communicate with, yeah, she spoke Russian to me and I spoke English to her. So that was a little bit funny. Yeah, but she was, yeah, was a good lady. But now we are entering the train again and we are going to the capital of Uzbekistan before we are changing trains. Yeah, we are changing trains, but I stayed one night in the capital of Uzbekistan. But here you have my bed and my cup of tea. Yeah, it's a tea country. Uzbekistan and Central Asia actually is a tea destination. But now we are in the capital.
Taxi. Taxi? Hello, mister.
To a train station for my last train adventure in Uzbekistan. I really like this train station because they have these lazy boys that you can sit and relax in before you embark on your adventure through Uzbekistan. And what I can say, Uzbekistan is the most popular destination of the Central Asian countries. Maybe Kazakhstan, but I think Uzbekistan is more touristy. And now we are in the train, a typical train, nothing special, but they did go up to the north of Uzbekistan. And my last destination in Uzbekistan will be a border town between Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan. So in the next chapter of the video. Yay! We are in the border town of Andijon. 2 trains later, and 1 hostel later, and 1 evening in the capital of Uzbekistan. We are finally at our last destination in the video. But this is not the last adventure in Central Asia. No. We are on a mission to go to Kyrgyzstan. You see on this map, that is the reason why I'm here. This city is very close to Kyrgyzstan. So we are soon entering the mysterious country of Kyrgyzstan, where they have a lot of post-Soviet things, like this statue, that we'll see more of in the next video. And the other thing they really like in Kyrgyzstan was ice cream and milkshakes. Yeah. And I also slept in something called yurt that they will see more in upcoming videos. So don't miss the next video when we are in Kyrgyzstan and exploring a new country. But now we are entering the city. Yeah.
Do'stlik xonobod do'stlik.
Hoş kami hoş. Hoş. Do'stlik. Hoş. Aka hoş. Buni. Aka.
Jalobod tamosh.
Nasib bergan.
Do'stlik tamoshga.
Hotelga tashlaymiz.
No, thank you.
Qasinga?
No, thank you.
Nima nomi?
No, thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.